Docker containers change how we ship code. You package your app, its dependencies, its runtime, everything into a single portable unit. But once you have dozens of containers across multiple machines, who manages them all? Who restarts them when they crash? Who scales them when traffic spikes? That's Kubernetes, K8s, the industry standard for container orchestration, originally built by Google and open-sourced in 2004. 78% of enterprises run it in production. Every major cloud provider offers a managed service. Here's what you actually need to know. A cluster is your entire fleet of machines. Nodes are the individual servers, physical or virtual, that actually run your containers. You've got worker nodes where your apps live, and a control plane node that orchestrates everything. The control plane is the brain. It runs the API server, the scheduler, and it's set a day, a distributed key value store that holds your entire cluster state. It watches the current state 24/7 and reconciles it with what you declared. Pod died? It spins up a new one. Node went down? It reschedules your workloads elsewhere. You don't tell Kubernetes how to do something. You tell it what you want. 3 replicas of my app, exposed on port 80. It figures out the rest. There are 5 objects you need to memorize. Everything else in Kubernetes is built on top of these 5 things. First, pod. The smallest deployable unit, 1 or more containers that share networking and storage. Think of it as an apartment building for your containers. They share the same address, the same utilities. Second, deployment, the blueprint. You declare, I want 3 replicas of this pod running version 2.0. Kubernetes makes it happen. Rolling updates, automatic rollbacks if something breaks, self-healing when pods crash, all built in. Third, service. A stable network address for your pods. Pods are ephemeral. They die, they get replaced, their IPs change, but the service stays the same. It automatically load balances traffic across healthy pods. Fourth, ConfigMaps and Secrets. Separate your configuration from your code. Database URLs, feature flags, API keys, TLS certificates, all injected at runtime. Never bake secrets into your container image. Fifth, namespaces, virtual clusters within your physical cluster. Use them to isolate teams, separate environments, or set resource quotas. You don't need a cloud account to learn any of this. Run minikube start on your laptop. You get a real single-node cluster in 30 seconds. Docker Desktop also has Kubernetes built in. Just enable it in settings. 3 kubectl commands. That's all it takes. kubectl, create deployment, hello equals k8s.gcr.io/echo server, kubectl, expose deployment hello on port 80, kubectl port forward service hello 80AD, 80, open localhost 8080. You're running Kubernetes. The magic? Copy that same YAML manifest. Change. Let's be real though. Kubernetes is over-engineered for a weekend project. If you're running 1 container on 1 server, just use Docker Compose. The YAML sprawl is real. Networking is confusing. Debugging distributed systems at 2 a.m. is not fun. But if you need horizontal scaling, 0 downtime deployments, and multi-node resilience, nothing else comes close. The learning curve is steep. There's no sugarcoating that. But once you internalize these 5 core objects, pod, deployment, service, config, namespace, the rest of the ecosystem clicks into place. What's running in your cluster? Drop it in